This is the new look Ahorn Camp, and this is a camper van of theirs on the Renault Master 4, but inside is where it really does look completely different. Since March of 2025 they've been using the Hymer facility at previously used by Leica in Italy for construction. This thing here, CV630 first edition, 68,500 euros. The length is 631 centimeters, 208 in width. It's based on the Renault Master, not the Fiat Ducato. That's why the thing's a bit different sizes to what you might be used to. This is a fridge which opens in both directions. We've got a forward-facing bench. I mean, the colours are absolutely, and lighting is absolutely that of a Hymer brand. Right, I really think, having looked at other vehicles, have a look at some of the others, but I think that Hymer might have shot itself in the foot, or maybe it needed the money from this brand. Now, they used to manufacture them, Ahorn used to manufacture in the same place as Renault manufactured, and Renault are not the best, let's put it that way. So doors at the back, we've got this double bed system. Obviously the person who did this is very, very skilled at doing a motorhome up for sale. And you can see also we've got that thing there which will fit in the middle here to make an enormous double bed. We've got storage under here. This one here is a wardrobe, we can see that. We've got lashing straps on the floor here. Very unusual washroom layout, toilet, sink. There isn't a lot of space though in this shower. They're using the same doors as Deathlef's used, also another Hymer company. It's held up here, and then it'll slide out. But the fittings are very nice. The sink is fixed. I mean, I know there's not a lot of space in here. You sit on the toilet when you're washing yourself. I mean, that's what I do anyway normally. And there's me in the shower. Of course, I'm leaning in. Right, there'll be two burners in the sink here. Well, there's that bit. I must have been here before. There's also a filter unit to put in there, but this one's gone. It wasn't me that took it. And there we go. Hey, I've got a story about this actually. I was doing a video and I picked the plug up and I was talking, and somebody interrupted me, and I continued talking with the thing in my hand. Then I forgot what I was doing, went away. I did bring the plug back, but it was a year later. So anyway, but I brought it back. So if you missed the plug there for a year, you know who had it. System here, home system Revolution. Need to do a video on that as well. Although we already have one, and it was Revolution. It's an integration system. The first company they worked with was Ahorn Camp, and they did it in Mulheim am Ruhr, where Ahorn has one of its sales points. Anyway, so I've got lots of videos from there, but in the older models. So as I come round,
thank you.
And to the area, we can see what we've got here. Two burners. Two burners. Oh dear, I'm getting so confused. Two gas cylinders. Space for two gas cylinders, not invisible. They would be there. Note that now they've got these drainage points, which down there, and here we have got a bit more storage. Write down what you think. I mean, I'm really quite amazed. I mean, you can see other ones as well. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like that. Very clever. Very nicely done. I think the lady you just said hello to is the person who's been doing the laying them out inside. I think it was her, because I think it was her I saw doing earlier. So she's done an excellent job of it. There you go. Ahorn Camp CV630 first edition on the Renault Master. Ooh, quite impressive, I'd have to say. Thanks for watching.